The 2018 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power driver's seat, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, climate control, center armrest, power door locks, side airbag, clock, power windows, CD player, security system, dual zone climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.